Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a crucial accessory for many musicians and producers using Alesis gear, the Yustda new USB data sync cable. This isn't just any generic cable. It's specifically designed to provide a reliable connection for a wide range of Alesis electronic instruments and audio equipment to your computer, whether you're on a PC or a Mac. The primary function of this cable is data synchronization, acting as the vital link for sending and receiving information between your Alesis device and your computer. This is essential for tasks like sending MIDI data from a keyboard controller to your DAW, receiving MIDI clock or control messages, transferring audio streams for recording or playback through an interface or mixer, and sometimes even for firmware updates or powering the device. One of the most impressive aspects highlighted is the sheer breadth of compatibility this single cable offers. Users will find it works seamlessly with popular Alesis electronic drum kits, such as the DM6 DM8 Studio and the Nitro kit. For keyboard players and MIDI enthusiasts, it connects the 6 series controllers, including the 661, 649, and 625, as well as the V-Mini 25, Q49, and QX25 USB MIDI controllers. Audio professionals aren't left out either, as it's compatible with the Alesis IO4 and IO2 Express audio interfaces and the versatile Multi-Mix series USB mixers, covering the 4, 6, 8, and 12-channel models. It even supports the M1 Active 320 USB desktop studio monitors and the unique Vortex wireless keydar. This extensive list means if you own multiple Alesis products from different categories, this one cable could potentially serve many of them. Technically, it's specified as a 100% brand new, high-speed USB 2.0 certified cable. USB 2.0 provides ample bandwidth for the data transfer needs of these devices, ensuring that MIDI messages are sent and received accurately and quickly, and audio streams are handled without dropouts or latency issues under normal operating conditions. The connector type is a standard USB Type-A, which is the common rectangular plug found on most computers. For anyone who has misplaced their original cable, needs a spare for a different setup location, or is looking for a reliable replacement, this Yustda cable presents itself as a highly compatible and functional option. It ensures that your Alesis electronic drums, MIDI controllers, audio interfaces, and mixers can connect properly to your computer, allowing you to integrate them into your digital workflow for recording, production, or performance. It's presented as a straightforward, necessary component to get your Alesis gear talking to your computer effectively.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.